If I don't see the food, I'll forget it exists.
An ADHD-friendly fridge tour. So my husband and I both have ADHD, and after 4 years of wasting fruits and vegetables because we forgot about them, we've figured out a system that helps. So our fresh produce now lives in the door of the fridge, which is nice because when you can see it, you want to snack on it and make stuff with it. And then leftovers and other perishable stuff sits towards the front of the fridge, whereas condiments, which take longer to go bad, live towards the back. We have ours on a lazy Susan, which is amazing. Our drawers remain empty at all times because that's where things go to die. So yeah, this fridge system has been super helpful for our brains, and that's because